How do I become their go-to buyer? Well, whenever they bring you a deal, you need to respond as soon as they bring you that deal. Even if it's over the phone and they've given you enough information, like we do this all the time. They gave us the information. We're like, well, based on the information you gave me, yeah, we're in. We want it. That being said, that's contingent on me actually verifying that it is what you say it is, right? But when you look at it and they're presenting you the deal, you need to be quick and you need to be able to go look at the deal and make up your mind right then and there. Not be like, go look at the deal. Okay, well, yeah, let me think about it. No. In this market, it's in the moment. We do that all the time. We have wholesalers that are always calling us. Hey, I have a deal in this area. Here are the numbers. What do you think? All right. If those numbers are true, yeah, we're in. We know the area. We know everything. We're in. All right. When can I go see it? All right. Let me set up an appointment. Great. While they're doing that, I'm on the computer researching, running comps, everything. I get a good idea, making sure nothing changed. So when I go to the property, I go take a look at it. Okay, yeah, everything's what you said, or it's not. I got to modify this, got to do this, whatever. Here's my offer. Here's my contract. I'm ready to go. Just like that fast. And when you say you're ready to go, make sure you close. If you commit, follow through, because that's the last thing. If you cannot follow through, they should not be bringing you deals because you are wasting their time. You understand? If you couldn't follow through, you should have just told them that. And we say that all the time. Lately we've shied away from any major renovation project just simply because we can't find the labor or people that are competent enough to handle it. So we have pulled away from those, and people have brought us deals and we go take a look at it. It's like, this is more than what we want to do. Sorry, we're not interested. Right there on the spot. Go sell it off to somebody else. You understand? I don't want to waste your time. I want you to make your money. I don't want to be holding out just because I'm uncertain. No, I know my numbers. I know my prices. I know my profit. I know my numbers. So get to know your numbers so then the wholesalers can trust you and know that you always have their best interests and that you're always going to close and they can always count on you.